Hello everyone. So there are a couple of more changes we have to do with this API gateway. So under this post, select method request and then click edit. Authorization, make it none. Request validator, here you have to select this one. Validate body, query string parameters and header. Just scroll down and select this one, URL query string parameters. Click here, add query string, and here you have to type the name. So name is prompt and click on required. So why we are taking prompt here? So to understand this, again we have to come back to our Lambda function, and this is the code, and here you can see we have defined this function, that is lambda underscore handler, and in this function we have defined two parameters, event and context. And for event we have given prompt as a key, or we can say as a input. Same we have mentioned here. Instead of prompt, suppose if I have given some different name like hello, so same name you have to define here. Perfect. So this is one thing. After that, just click save, and then just click on integration request, edit, and lambda function. So here you have to choose the correct lambda function, which is already selected, that is text summarization Cohere, and just scroll down and click on this one, that is mapping templates. Just click here, add mapping templates. So content type, so it should be application/json, and just scroll down, and here you have to provide the template body. So let me write here, curly bracket, enter, prompt, and dollar input dot parameters and prompt. So this is what you have to put inside the template body. So it means that the prompt we are going to get here from the REST API would be converted and passed as a prompt in the event in the Lambda function. So basically this is written in velocity template. So we have to follow the same format. After that, just click on save. Now we have created our API gateway. Now next is we are going to do the testing. For that, simply you have to click on test, and here the user is going to send a REST API request containing a text prompt. So friend, that's all for this lecture. In the next lecture, I'm going to test this API gateway.